What's up mga pamilya, mga migs? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new and if you like reviews about movies, please consider subscribing. I'm just here, no, I'm just here at my office with Ember, Sophia, and Joe, her father. Correction, I know your father. Yeah, let's talk about Frozen 2. Frozen 2 has been showing so many weeks ago. And I watched it just recently last Saturday with my nephews and my niece, my shoulder and my head. And I saw it with my family also, my brother and my sister. How do you brush your teeth? Frozen 2. Elsa, Anna, and Olaf, and the rest of the gang. Another story, another continuation of their journey as sisters. And I think this is really for kids. And I know parents would like to watch it so that they can relate to their kids. And if you haven't watched the movie, just expect that most likely kids would really enjoy this. Expect that the story is some kind of like um, not very adult. Mhm. And expect that the kids would be roaming around also sometimes, but there are moments they will behave because of what they'll see, and there are crying moments in the movie. That is why kids will behave in that moment in time. That moment in time. Anyways, my review, graphics is superb, the story is superb, and the soundtrack is also superb. I just think it needs more time to dwell on the listeners. Not as much popular than Frozen 1 soundtrack. Let It Go, very popular, but the songs, especially Into the Unknown, yeah, it clings to your mind also. And some people who've been posting about Frozen 2 said that they they had last song syndrome with Into the Unknown. It was Elsa who sang the song, but in the movie, but originally, or the soundtrack is sang or performed by Panic at the Disco. So if you have time, you can search for that. The soundtrack, and I mean the soundtrack of Panic of the Disco is also two thumbs up, as well as the version of Anna in the movie. So my rating would be 10, considering that it's one of the most anticipated children movie of all time, no? Aside from Lion King, so that those movies are 10. Aladdin is also, I think, 9, because it was different from the animated movie. And I think this animation is good, and the storyline is very mysterious also, very engaging. And for the love of it, for the fun of it, I gave it a 10 rating. If you haven't seen it yet, please consider watching it. It's still extended in movies nationwide, so Let Your Kids is a very good Christmas movie for everyone, and let your kids enjoy with them, and please, if you want more reviews of movies, please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed yet, and click the notification button. Until the next review of another movie here on my channel. Bye-bye.